Notice where you're at right now. Feel how your thoughts are affecting your mood and your opinion towards yourself. If you are feeling anxious in this very moment, know that you are doing something brave. You are doing the very thing that nearly everyone else avoids, and that is trying to better understand those thoughts that are causing anxious feelings. You are moving towards them instead of away from them. Now, your anxious thoughts are still there. They haven't gone away. But now you have taken a step towards healing by understanding. Let's talk about the one word alone that gives you a chance to bring back joy to your life. With that said, let's get into it. Hey there, and welcome to Stepping Into Anxiety, where we strive to understand, explore, and empower your journey with anxiety. My name is Ryan, and the sole purpose of this content is to creatively discuss different aspects of mental health and help you achieve victories as you move forward into your anxiety. If you're enjoying the content, please subscribe below. It really helps me out and keeps the journey going. So what is that one word? The one word that changes the ballgame wherever you are at with your anxiety. Whether it's stress, low anxiety, or you're bordering a panic attack, the one mindset that shifts your neurological pathways is acceptance. Acceptance of where you are at this very moment. I'm not talking about surrender, not at all. Acceptance is the act of agreeing to receive something, in this case, anxious thoughts and feelings. By accepting where your mind and body is at this very moment, you are then able to better understand where the anxiety is coming from and gain clarity of how to approach it. Let's take a closer look. The opposite of acceptance is to avoid. Avoidance is one of the hallmark characteristics that keeps the cycle of anxiety going round and round. We avoid our anxiety with thoughts of, why can't I just feel better? Or, what if this bad thing happens? Or, I don't want to think about it. While different, all these thoughts reflect an avoidance attitude. The anxiety can only rise and continue to deepen from there. Acceptance flips that idea on its head. You're telling your brain, you know what? I am feeling anxious because of that reason. I don't care how silly or outrageous it is, I feel anxiety towards that thought of X. Acceptance sets the tone to clearly lay out in front of you what is making me anxious, and are there ways I can address the anxious issues? As you move towards those anxious thoughts, they will begin to lose their power because they're no longer building up strength in the background. You have shined the light on them and want to understand them and understand why that thought is bothering you so much. That is the power of acceptance. You've got this. While your anxious feelings have wrapped themselves around your other thoughts, practice giving yourself grace and acceptance for those thoughts, because then, and only then, can you step further into your anxiety. Thanks for watching.